So this is what the robot station we are using to weld in many pieces, and this is the steel structure which we designed. Now we have several welding sim we have to be done, and this is a software which now you have to do the programming. You can see that this is a AI calculation with a 3D camera. So now you can see the 3D drawing, and you just set a start point. You don't have to set the very accurate anywhere, just the start point. It will find automatically, and then you can see the camera is moving to the next one, and after that you wait, it will come up with the next 3D drawer. You can set here as the midpoint or the end point, so not very accurate. Okay, you can see the yellow point here, and then the camera start to move again to the next one. So you will just set the next point again, and the purpose is to create automatic welding pass. So you can see that even the standing straight welding seam, it will finish the job too. And just like if the welding seam is straight, you can use this 3D software to do the programming, just like mark here, there, and not very accurate. That will be done like that. So it's very quick and very simple. I mean, even the welders has no experience for that. They can do this job. It's very easy. And after that, you set this one. This will be the last point. So that will come some drawings. The drawings will show you that if that requirement and the data parameters are just following the request. Sometime you have to mail that. If it's just like what you it's okay, you can save this, because you can do the same job next time. Then you don't have to even mark it again. And now everything is under calculation. There's no cut of this video. Now you can see that is 2 minutes 24. I think it's just maybe 20 seconds. The calculation will be finished, and some even the parameters like the wire diameter, like some others, is you have to recheck it again here. And now when you start, you can see that this is the welding pass. Now it's coming. All this 1 2 3 4 5. So every welding parts are here, and it will follow one by one by one. And now the AI is calculating everything here with this welding parts one by one. It will create this yellow line. This one, the yellow line, will be the welding parts. You can check that if it's just as what you want, and if it's not like that, and you have to check again how to confirm. So if it is just like that, okay, it will end up this one 8 steps here, so one by one. Each time it will be done like this one, because it will create this welding parts as to confirm if this is the one you want, and with a 3D position, and it will lock the movement of the robot. After that, the robot start to do. So if this is what you want, you press start point and the job starts. And this one, the movement is not welding, it's just the same time which just now you set all the welding parts, the start, the mid, the stop point which you start. And meanwhile the robot is moving like this one. You see the camera is following the robot to go here and there, and when it's here and you mark the start, when it's there, and you mark another point for the stop points, and sometimes you can mark some different long seam, straight, stand, and this point. You can mark as more as you can. For example, now you have just one piece. You can have 100 pieces if the rail is that long. You can have maybe 50 sets, 100 sets, the same things, and you can mark everything the same time from the PCA, and the robot will just following that one by one. If all the work pieces are the same and the rail is that long, the robot is just doing that job one by one, and in 24 hours, no stop. It's like that. So now it's moving here and there to give you the mark, and later they will calculate the welding parts, and finally you have to confirm, and then okay, everything is down, you can start. So when you see that after it's done, and you can see this one is like C++ language that is just like programming, and you can see all the start points and all the parameters. You can check that from here. Then press start, welding starts. You can see that they will weld in the stand, straight seam, one, another one, and then it will welding the long seam. Okay, with this 1, 2, 3 long seam and 2 stand straight long seam like this. So this is one. Okay, so now it's moving to another one, the stand straight. Okay, so this is another one. It's just like what you mark here, and there's, and meanwhile you see the patent here. It's now it's step 20. There are maybe 40 steps. It will just follow one by one like this one. So it's just like the teach patent. It will show you like here, so it will go like now. You can see like 20 steps. Next one is 21. It's arc welding wave off. Okay, arc off. So it will give the command like that. Everything is AI. Now it's doing the job of the long seam like here. I mean that the program is really fast, because when you mark that here or there, the welding parts automatic calculation is really fast, and they don't care if you put the same jobs on the same position 100% accurate. There can be something wrong, because every time it will go to create the welding parts with this camera system. If it's the same system, if it's the same workpiece, you don't even have to mark it again. You just put the same things on the same position. It will go to create that parts again, and we will check and then start. And people can just relax and just check some things happen, and you can just do the actions if just necessary. Otherwise, then people are very relaxed for that one. Or meantime, that you can see that the welders lose their jobs on that, because the machines is 24 hours, and especially you can see the quality on the last you should find very qualified welders can only do that job. So that is cost a lot of money perhaps. Now you see that is 31 steps. There will be several remaining, and the job is continue. So this, you see that the total step are 42 steps. Okay, with everything that will be done. And this will be the last long seam on the right. So everything is done here. So the videos I took cost me, I think, 1 minute for programming. Okay, to make the welding parts cost me 2 minutes, and welding cost a little bit longer. It's just about 20 minutes, 15 minutes, like that. So in fact, welding cost a long time, but programming and check and mark is taking very short time, and from this video you can see it's end up here. So that will be the end of this programming. It's finished. And on the final that you will see the result of this welding quality. Everything is just Chinese make. Now you will see how this robot is doing for the result. I mean, for the normal structure, steel structure, for the straight H-beam, whatever the beam, the straight, it will do the job, right? If you do the body welding well, and if it will give you the perfect jobs, and very stable for that, and especially so much quick. The programming, the AI calculation, and the quality performance results. So this is what we're doing for our tank rotators, the base. Everything is just under that, because a lot of street welding on the base. So yeah, we're happy on that. We're fine on that.